Do you know about the richest countries in the world? There are different metrics to rank economic of the world. The gross domestic product (GDP) is one of the economic pointers. In today's episode, we are going to roll up top 10 richest country in the world. So viewer, stay tuned. Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a territory with a population of more than 7 million people. It has consistently ranked at the top of the Heritage Foundation's Index of Economic Freedom since 1995. But the region suffers from a relatively high level of income disparity. Switzerland. Switzerland shares its border with Italy to the south, France to the west, Germany to the north, and Austria to the east. It has a population of 8 million people. United Arab Emirates. The UAE has a population of over 10 million people. UAE is one of the top richest countries in the world. The UAE economics remains remarkably reliant on oil. Kuwait. It is located in the western part of Asia and shares a border with Iraq and Saudi Arabia. Kuwait has the world's sixth largest oil reserves and its economy is banked by it. Norway. Norway has a population of more than 5 million people. Norway has GDP per capita of $70,590 and holds sixth position in the list of the 10 richest countries of the world. Ireland. It is the second largest island of the British Isles, the third largest in Europe. The country has one of the largest growth rates in Europe. Brunei. The country has a population of about 400,000 people. Natural gas and crude oil production account for about 90% of its GDP. Singapore. The Republic of Singapore is an island city-state in Southeast Asia. It is the second largest foreign investor in India. This country has the world's highest percentage of millionaires. Luxembourg. Luxembourg is located in the western part of Europe and shares its border with Belgium, Germany, and France. Luxembourg has a stable and high-income market economy features moderate growth. Qatar. Qatar is the richest country in the world. It has a total GDP of approximately $124,930 per person. The economy of this small Middle Eastern country is based on the export of crude oil. The capital of Qatar is Doha. So viewer, what about our today's episode? Please leave your valuable comment in our comment section. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Till then, take care and good luck.